Welcome to our garden. Today, we're venturing into the wonderful world of perennial vegetables. Now, unlike their annual cousins, these plants are in it for the long haul. These resilient vegetables offer a bounty of fresh, homegrown goodness year after year, gracing your table with their presence. So join us as we unearth the secrets to cultivating 3 extraordinary perennial vegetables that you'll cherish having in your garden. Today, we're exploring 3 perennial vegetables that you'll never regret planting. These veggies come back year after year, providing you with fresh, delicious produce. Our journey begins with a true garden stalwart, asparagus. This perennial vegetable, with its spear-like shoots emerging from the earth each spring, holds a special place in the heart of many a gardener. Asparagus is a true testament to the rewards of patience, often taking a few years to establish itself before offering up its prized harvest. But once it takes root, this resilient vegetable can thrive for decades, rewarding you with its unique flavor year after year. Asparagus thrives in well-drained soil and basks in the warmth of the sun. Give it these conditions and it will reward you with an abundant harvest. Imagine the satisfaction of stepping into your garden in early spring, greeted by the sight of tender asparagus spears reaching for the sky. These delicate spears, harvested at their peak, possess a subtle yet distinctive flavor that heralds the arrival of spring. Next, we turn our attention to rhubarb, a vegetable often mistaken for a fruit due to its culinary uses. Unlike the gentle sweetness of asparagus, rhubarb offers a refreshingly tart flavor that adds a unique dimension to pies, jams, and other culinary creations. Its large, fan-shaped leaves, while visually striking, are inedible, but beneath them lie the true treasures, the vibrant red or green stalks. Rhubarb is a relatively low-maintenance plant, content to grow in cooler climates where other plants might struggle. Its resilience and adaptability make it a favorite among gardeners, requiring minimal attention once established. Imagine the vibrant colors of rhubarb stalks, adding a touch of artistry to your garden, their tartness promising culinary adventures. Finally, we arrive at the artichoke, a vegetable that is as captivating in appearance as it is in flavor. Encased in layers of tough protective leaves, the artichoke heart, the true prize within, awaits patient gardeners. This unique vegetable, with its mild, nutty flavor, can be enjoyed steamed, grilled, or roasted, adding an element of sophistication to any meal. Artichokes thrive in regions with mild winters and well-drained soil. Their imposing size and architectural beauty make them a striking addition to any garden, their presence a testament to nature's artistry. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting these edible thistles, their unique flavor a reward for your gardening efforts. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the world of perennial vegetables. We hope you feel inspired to add these hardy and rewarding plants to your garden. Imagine stepping into your garden year after year to be greeted by the familiar faces of these perennial vegetables, each one a testament to the joys of nurturing life from the ground up. Until next time, happy planting, and may your gardens flourish with an abundance of delicious and nutritious perennial harvests. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel to help others discover the joys of gardening.